And we tried our best to have the servers audited. But our efforts were undermined by IEBC. They only gave us skeleton information. That information, we discovered a lot of anomalies just on that skeleton information.
IEBC is not in a position to give Kenyans a compendium like the one we have produced here, showing results from every polling station. In fact, in the name of transparency and accountability, it was so easy for IEBC within no more than 10 days after the elections to have a document like this containing results from every polling station, every constituency, every county, and particularly, to ensure that, the results that were announced contemporaneously are the true and genuine results.